Keep your home toasty warm with Hive Active Heating. With installation included, you can arrange to have it professionally installed by a British gas engineer via the Hive website and have peace of mind that it will be set up correctly. Reduce energy usage and bills by up to £130 a year by monitoring where energy is used. You'll never have to heat an empty home, so you can enjoy the ideal heat all year round. The Hive app allows you to easily adjust the heating even when you're away from home. Stop your heating from turning on if you're not coming home, or switch it on if you're coming home early. Enjoy remote access wherever you are and avoid wasting energy. Control heating schedules by adjusting the settings on the Hive app. Getting your home to the perfect temperature is easy and can all be done from the palm of your hand. Your home will always be warm and welcoming with Hive Active Heating.